we can embed image or images with the image tag. We can embed videos with the video tag. However, there are other things to be embedded in a website. For example, you have seen where we have a Google map embedded in another website or a video. So we have what we call iframes, and these are used to embed other web documents into the current document. Now, the tag name for iframe is iframe, and within this tag, you put your external details of what you want to embed. Now, we can get some code quickly by going to, for example, a location in Google Map. I have selected the location here, and when we click on share, we're going to tell it to give us the code for embedding. When we click that, you will notice that there's going to be an iframe already set for us to just paste. So when you click on embed the map, you copy the HTML and you simply paste it. We can arrange it so that it looks more readable, and you can see the iframe quite straightforward. Don't bother too much about all the attributes, but you can see that there's a source, a width and height, and then loading, which is lazy. So there it is. We have Google Maps in our website. So the beauty of iframe is that it helps you incorporate, content that you don't really have direct control over, or content that you don't have to implement on your own. Imagine having to implement Google Maps on your own. You don't need to do that. Just embed the services in your website and you're good to go. Another way of doing this is embedding YouTube videos. I am sure you have seen this a lot of times on websites where they have a YouTube video embedded. It follows the similar route where you share, click on embed, and then you can copy the code. Now, we replace this Google Map code with the YouTube one. Of course, there are slight differences, but then it works the same. And voila, we have YouTube in our website. This is quite easy because sometimes you want to link to a video or show a video. You don't need to create your own video hosting platform or, going through a lot of ways to host a video. You can have a video on YouTube and embed it in your website. So this is the beauty of iframes. There are a lot more you can learn, such as security features and others.